Dear students, my friend Mr. Shashkir Garu has sent me one powerful Dell laptop, i5 uh, laptop. But the problem is the adapter has got this kind of 110 volts, plug pin. So I brought one adapter, for this particular 110 pin to 230 volt. But even though I'm trying to buy the best quality good ones, but there is always loose connection between this 110 volt plug to the 220 volts plug. So the adapter, I mean. So finally, I got an idea saying that why to use this. So I use this multimeter to check the polarity where the phase wire has to go and where the neutral has to go on the earth, all these pins. And then finally, you see, I've tinkered this way. So now directly this 230 volts plug will go into a regular. So this adapter is universal adapter. It can provide output voltage required to the laptop right from 95 volts to 270 volts anywhere, doesn't matter. Only the plug physical connectivity is the problem in India from this 110 volts plug pins. So I have changed to this. So this is how I think without using any adapter in between, we can directly use and make use of this. And the best way is this so that no loose connections are there in between.